All right, guys, we in the Maserati. We just got this at the auction. It's black on red. Look at the interior. It's got the headrest stitching, got the carbon fiber package. It's got the nice little screen. Let's start her up so you can listen. Put her in sport mode. Let's check it out. It's a 2017 Maserati Ghibli S. 44,000 miles. We got 44,000 miles. It's got the carbon fiber. It's got the red interior, highly optioned. The sunroof. It's lowered on coilovers. Don't mind the curb rash here. You got the big brakes, of course. This is the splitter right here. It's a really nice looking car, very sporty looking car. So we bought this thing for $10,000, okay? But the catch is it has a rebuilt title.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Just had a little front end damage. But you can see right here, we bought it for $10,000, and that's the buy fee, $490. $490 buy fee, $10,000 selling price. Take the VIN number off in the thing, okay? You can edit it out. All right. It's a rebuilt title, but listen, man, this thing's fucking beautiful. We bought it for 10 grand. Very cheap, honestly. They sold it at the auction for $9,600 with the damage. It wasn't much damage, so.
I mean, it's all right. Like, overrated as fuck, in my opinion. I mean,
it's a very clean car, very good looking car, nice, and its stance at like perfect stance and everything. So we got a huge profit margin coming. I mean, this is gonna make us about high. What we can make on this is about $8,000.
I mean, it's all right.
So we have lenders, we work with lenders, so they just need to come with $1,000, $2,000 down, and we could get them rolling as long as they get approved, you know, with proof of income and stuff. But yeah, we got a good profit margin on this. It's a very cheap car. You're not gonna find a Maserati anywhere for fucking what I bought it for, unless it's crashed, of course. But let's take another look around this thing, man. We're about to go make a montage. Cue the montage. Cue the montage. Mikey, cue.
Stop! Stop it! Leave that man alone!
I'm gonna rev it.
Hey, this is sick! I'm back in my element! Harry, you're a G! Yeah, man. You're a G! This is sick! Hey!
Still need to buff it and all that, clean it up on the inside, but it's got a nice red interior. Very beautiful. So we sold the Mercedes, we sold the truck, we sold the Mustang. Those all netted fucking over $5,000. Each one was about $8,000, $9,000, $7,000, something like that.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Still have the Z right here.
1 hour later.
Still have the Z right here.
1 eternity later.
Still have the Z right here. I don't know, man. Nobody's getting approved. We had like over 20 people on it. Nobody's getting approved on it, unfortunately. I got a guy coming today, so let's hope for the best. This one, we got it cheap. We only bought it for 7 grand. Had to repaint it, put in about $1 grand. It's not a bad looking car, but you know, just nobody's getting approved. They're all young. Let's look at this Jeep. We just fixed the valve cover gasket and everything. Just got this Tacoma in. This is gonna be another flip. Not much profit margin, but we just want to move inventory. So that one I bought it for like shit, $5,200 plus the buy fee, about like $5,600, $5,700, which is kind of high, but not bad for a Toyota Tacoma. We're gonna sell it for about 10 grand. Jeep, we got it for about 11 something, I believe. We'll talk about that later.
Hi.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna do the recap on the Mercedes. It's gonna be quick. We bought that thing for $4,600. I think the fee was like, say about $5,000, up to, $5,000 total. We sold that the other day. If you wanna come around here, you can show, I'm gonna blur all this out. we got a net check of $12,284. The customer put $1,000 down payment, so we got total of $13,284, and then they took a $499 loan processing fee. So let's do $13,284 minus $499, $12,785. Let's subtract the tax, which comes out to $787. Let's put $800. So $11,985 minus $5,000. I had to put rotors and brakes, so let's do that. So we netted $6,700 on the Mercedes.
Boom. 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths.
On the Mustang, we bought that. It was like $11,500, I believe. We put a starter in it. It was like $200, free labor. Let's go to the contract. The net check we got on that was $18,395, $2,400 down payment. So $18,000. It was actually $295. They cut another $100 off. So we got total $20,695 from this Mustang. Let's subtract our cost, $11,520. $9,000 minus $200 starter, $8,900 minus tax was like $1,200. Net about $7,700 after all expenses, which is really good. That one was a quick turnaround. We have more, but we will not show that. Make sure you blur that shit out. But listen, guys, that Maserati is beautiful. Listen, it's gonna be a nice flip. All right, we're gonna do good on it. Yeah, dude, this is the benefits of car flipping. You can drive all these cars for fun. You don't, if you get bored of it, you just flip it, you know? Yeah, guys, for everybody starting to flip, I just made a course, $99 a month. Don't forget to subscribe. I will teach you the ins and outs of how to flip cars, how to get your dealer license, how to flip, and how to get access to the auction, all the goodies, all right? I'm just joking, but you never know. You know, all these people selling courses. I could not sell cars anymore. I could just sell courses. That's how we're gonna do it in the future, you know? All right. So we still have the G37. As you guys remember, we bought that for $1,800 plus the fee. I think it was like $2,100, $2,200. I'll show everything. I'll send screenshots. That way he can have them uploaded. That one, that's a good buy. It was a good buy. It's a 6-speed manual. It has 120,000 miles. So this is the Infiniti G37, 124 on it. I don't really have a good picture of it. It's outside, but yeah, dude, we got this for like $2,200 out the door. I have it listed for $9,950. So far, we did a paint job in it. See, it's a 2-owner, 6-speed manual, clean size sport package, Akebono brakes. I put a catback exhaust. It's got fresh clutch, rear main seal, slave cylinder. All the goodies. It had a lot of good service done to it, and yeah, dude, I'm still working on it. I can't find the seat for it, and the radio screen's kind of faded, but we're getting there. It's kind of not in a rush type flip. I'm enjoying it as well, so it's a nice car. I love those cars, those VQs. But yeah, that should net us about $6,000 to $8,000 profit. All depends. I got to calculate how much I'm in it. I think I'm in it about $800 so far, so about $3 grand in the car. Not bad. So we should make about $5,000 to $7,000. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's all the flips we have right now going on. We got more inventory coming in soon after we sell these, so we don't get fucked. And yeah, guys, enjoy the video and see you in the next one. I don't know, that's the outro? Yeah. That's the outro? You got it? Yeah. Okay.